Make we give am the power, oh. If he hand over power, oh, for sake and chorus. If he hand over power, oh, pass along for God before. And the long member who say you for long, and for member who say you want the books. And the other come back, oh, make we give am the power, oh. If he hand over power, oh, for sake and chorus. If he hand over power, oh, pass along for God before. And the
good morning, good afternoon, and good evening all around the world. My name is Maurice Safa, popularly known as Tolo Gundo Sagwa. Today I bring you the episode about APC and violence in that country. APC's history of violence and divisiveness. We've been done, they happen ever since they formed as a political party and all through the governments the way they don't run. Up to today. Up to today. So what happened is APC don't actually succeed for make people them feel to say AP, if you born at the north, you for belong to APC. You for support APC. You for vote for APC. But not to show it for be. Because APC not just a northern party. In fact, now 2 southerners they been formed APC, sort of. Let me explain. In 1958, immediately after the 1957 elections where SLPP been win, in 1958, Shaka Stephen and Albert Magai then joined together for form a new party called PNP, People's National Party. In 1958. This they been do because they against independence. And you know the 1957 election and the SLPP government will become they been for make them prepare now how for administer the country after independence. Now that sort of the colonial government been feel and that make them allow that election to take place. However, Shaka Stephen and Albert Magai, they opposed to her. Unfortunately and ironically, then 2 men them, we don't oppose to independence, then it happened for say they can't rule the country not even too long after that, after independence. But anyhow, after they don't form this party also, SLPP then beg them for come back. Albert Magai ain't come back. Mainly because of pressure from his brother Sam Milton, we had the government at the time. But Shaka Stephen he refused for come back. So he want remain inside PNP as the leader. But PNP begin for crumble. They don't put up the viable opposition like how they expect to SLPP. So that then Shaka Stephen dissolve the PNP itself. Now that time now it formed APC. So in effect, APC come out of PNP. And PNP, now 2 southerners, then form Shaka Stephen and Albert Magai. So nobody not for feel obliged for say because you born at the north, you get for support APC. No. Anyhow, as Shaka Stephen, after he don't dissolve PNP, he formed APC, he still continue for opposed to independence. To the extent whereby they been threatening for say, if SLPP continue with independence, he go unleash in thugs them and the supporters them on Independence Day for make them cause riot and violence around the country. Shaka Stephen threatened this. In fact, that make they arrest her and put her under house arrest. Okay, they detain her under house arrest for make sure for say cause violence on the day of independence. So anyhow, then at the beginning of APC violence as a party, the very person where former Shaka Stevens threatened the whole country with violence. Then we come to the 1967 elections. By the 1967 elections, it can't be foreseen SLPP get 32 parliamentary seats, and APC themselves get 32 parliamentary seats. But remember, I said that APC, now SLPP been there in power. Now been the incumbent. So APC, now that make, they go out on the street now, begin the riot for say, now they're supposed to form the government because they don't, equal the government pan parliamentary seats. So that they're supposed to, they begin for riot all over Freetown. For over 10 days, then the riot. Now that be make the army be step in for take over under Brigadier Lansana. They step in because APC, they be the riot all over town. And none of us SLPP, they be the riot with SLPP or they be the fight with SLPP. No, SLPP not be involved. SLPP supporters, they not go on the streets. Now APC, they no more, they say that then power and then supposed to form the government. You see this power business here, so now APC beginner. This power name here, so funnily speaking. Now APC being, because they say power and then supposed to form the government in 1967 because they don't meet government plan, the number of parliamentary seats. Anyway, what to make that happen? Now because of mistake the SLPP party. Abdulmaga, he been getting some kind of political shenanigans way not being popular. So, what happened? He refused party symbols to four-man them, to four people them way that be very popular people them. In fact, there been parliamentarians before. Okay, before that election day. So, Abdulmaga refused them symbols. So now then team up as independent. The former then have been Kaisamba, na Kenema, Brewer, na Moyamba, Prince Williams, na Pujehu, and Frank Anthony, na Bo. Then former then they team up as independents and they win. So then when they win, they say then they join SLPP because they deny them symbols. In fact, while they do the negotiations, Brewer and Kazamba then declare for APC. So they now make now APC get 34 seats and SLPP continue to get the 32. So at that point in time now, they get the right to form the government. But all through this time here, so riot they go on. Riot they go all over the nearly don't begin for spread all over the country. You don't go beyond Freetown now. And then the military don't take over under Brigadier Lansana. But anyhow, they've been still swear Shaka Stevens in for form the government. But because of the riots and because the army come in now, Shaka Stevens not able to form the government. That they run away go Guinea. So that Guinea been there now when all other things then they go on at the country, including other coup d'etats that will be take place. Major Blake been doing your own small coup d'etat quick, but then squash that one day. Jackson Smith, he caused his own coup d'etat, we been ruled for a considerable number of time, and then Brigadier Bangura in own coup in 1971. What happened is once Brigadier Bangura now he overthrew Jackson Smith. So now he go bring Shaka Stevens from Guinea. He can't install him as Prime Minister. So after that don't happen, now Shaka Stevens continue for rule. But it not take long, Shaka Stevens turn around and kill Brigadier Bangura. I will tell you now the story, what will be happen. Okay? But all this now an example of APC violence as a political party and as a government. Right from the beginning. Right from the beginning. APC will always be a violent party. Okay, we were again as Shakasibi be there in power now. We hear about the 1977 student riots there all over the country. We hear about that. All right. We then, of course, we know about the big one, the RUF war. We have been under APC government of Saidu Momo, of President Momo. Now, Fodes and Kobi take arms against the country because of APC corruption and APC, bad governance. We then be the carry on. And that make another for say they justify Fodes and Co. Of course, me could be the last person for justify him for taking army arms against the country because me myself died inside that war, inside the RUF war. However, with this an example of the continued violence where APC party and government always don't bring that country there. Anyhow, we all know how the RUF war end. Now SIPP be end them, and then we see how in 2012, well, APC been attacked Madabio again with we be making the SIPP flag bearer. How they attack Anabo, stone him, the man almost die. APC violence. And then we see in 2009, in fact, before that, 2009, we see how APC been attacked SIPP headquarters na Freetown. Rape woman, then they nothing no happen. APC violence. And then we don't see most recently na Kamalo inside the APC flag bearer in Tong. Now they most recently where people where SIPP and Madabio go campaign day, now they attack Madabio again. They almost want to kill the man. APC violence. Alright? So and then we all know what last year 2017 we know about how APC then again attacked SLPP headquarters. You see? So APC now a party of violence. Now that make I talk to with people then. Salone not for be known as a country of violence. Now that make we not for put APC in a power. APC all them good for now for bring violence to the country. If then they rule on violence they did. Then be the rule when they attack SLPP headquarters in 2009. Then be the rule when they attack Madabio. So APC whether now then they rule or na SLPP they rule, then you na violence they sabi for do in terms of governance. So now this are the big people, even APC people. Una do ya let Salone turn a page on violence under APC. Let we get away from violence. Let the world stop for Yeri say Salone a violent country. Small country like this. We don't see Ghana. They don't hold elections recently. Little or no violence. The last Nigerian election, a country of nearly 200 million people, compared to we when I just 7 million. Nigeria, the whole the last election, it been relatively peaceful compared to 7 million na Salone. So una do ya, una not vote for APC. APC na a violent party. APC na a divisive party. APC, they not care for Salone. APC, they just dey for thief government money, for take government money, and for use them for themselves, and they allow all man for suffer. Now that make they call APC as a poor country. APC, they always rule a poor country. If APC then a power, the country they poor. So APC, a poor country. And na that Salone don't be. Na that Salone don't be. And na that Salone always they be under APC. back under Shaka Stephen Item, when SLPP been give up the party, the power in 1967, the country been good. The economy been the flourish. Salone economy have been one of the most progressive. Salone been done get the name as a developing country around that time day until APC take over. So now a history of APC violence we have come for tell una so that make we people them do ya. Una not vote for APC. Una vote for SLPP. Vote for Madabio. SLPP na a peaceful party. SLPP go bring good name to our country. SLPP go develop our economy instead of a poor country like APC. A poor country. SLPP go develop the country. SLPP go make the country an educated country again. Do ya, the people them? Una vote SLPP on March 7. All political parties they una vote for SLPP. Thank you.
No color than them now. Make we remember who say we come out, and that we all come back. Make we give them the power.